Hello, welcome back to Bill's Reading Corner, Reading 1。好，那今天我们要进行下一篇呢，这篇的主题是 Stone Stew。Hi, I'm Ugg. I'm hungry, but all I have is a stone. I know what to do. I make a fire. I put a stone in a pot. Now I'll make a stone stew.What are you making? Asked Mub. Stone stew, I say. Put in your potatoes and I'll share it with you. Okay, says Mub. She puts the potatoes in my pot. What are you making? Asked Gug. Stone stew, I say. Put in your carrots.And I'll share it with you. Okay, says Gug. He puts the carrots in my pot. What are you making? Asks Nug. Stone stew, I say. Put in your meat, and I'll share it with you. Okay, says Nug. She puts the meat in my pot.Yay, the stone stew is done. I give some to Mub and Gug and Nug. Look, there's some stone stew left. I know what to do. I make wheels. I put them on a cart.Goodbye, Mub and Gug and Nug, I say. Come to my cave for more stone stew. Okay, so this is the reading for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.